So software engineers and math are basically the Romeo and Juliet of the tech world. But except instead of tragic love, it's just avoidance. You see, everyone thinks coding is just one big math problem. Well, you're wrong. If that were true, half of us would be unemployed and the other half would be calculating how many cups of coffee it takes to survive a stand-up meeting. Honestly, the only math most developers need is how many days until the sprint deadline, is 4 cups of coffee a meal or just a lifestyle choice, and of course, how many zeros in my bank account. Alright, just one. That's great. But today, let's actually break this myth. Why are most software engineers actually not math geniuses? Well, spoiler, you don't need to calculate the trajectory of a rocket to center a div. Alright, let's be serious now. Let's dissect this whole math and programming relationship, because trust me, it's not what your college professor or that one guy who brags about knowing Big O told you. You see, programming is logic. It's pretty much problem solving. And yes, math is a form of problem solving, but writing an app is not the same as solving a differential equation. Like when you're building a to-do list app, the hardest math you'll do is figuring out if tasks.length is greater than 0. That's it. That's the PhD level computation. And honestly, that's why so many engineers survive with minimal math. You don't need to know calculus to make a button turn blue when someone hovers over it. You just need CSS and a bit of therapy, but mostly CSS. So here's the real secret. Most math in programming is already done for you. For example, if you want to calculate complex physics, there's a library. If you want to use machine learning, there's already a library again. If you need crypto level encryption, then boom, there's again some package on NPM written by a sleep-deprived genius you will never meet. Basically, most engineers don't sit around deriving formulas. They sit around Googling how to round a number in JavaScript without it becoming 3.9999999. So yeah, you better thank abstraction, because without it, 90% of us would be working at Starbucks right now. Now, are there areas in software engineering where math is a must? Well, absolutely. Consider these fields such as data science, machine learning, graphics programming, cryptography. If you're in those fields, then yeah, math does a lot of heavy lifting. You can't avoid it. But for the rest of us building CRUD apps, the only math required is counting how many bugs you introduced after that last quick fix. So if not math, what actually matters? Well, there's logic and critical thinking, breaking big problems into small ones, Googling like your life depends on it, and of course, the ability to read Stack Overflow answers written in 2012, which are somehow still relevant today. So that's it. That's the toolkit. You can forget trigonometry, just learn Git, forget calculus, and learn how to explain to your PM why 2 weeks actually means 2 months. So there you go. Most software engineers aren't good at math, and that's perfectly fine. Unless you're in machine learning, then good luck. Make sure to brush on those linear algebra skills. And if anyone tries to flex on you like, oh, programming is just advanced math, just smile and say, yeah sure, now watch me center this div. Because at the end of the day, the real math is figuring out why your code only works on your machine.